Is your Spectrum internet still not working even after a reset? Don't worry, in the next few minutes I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix it and get you back online. First, let's power cycle your modem and router. This clears out temporary glitches. Unplug both your modem and router from the power. Wait at least 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in. Let it fully start. Then plug in the router and wait for it to restart. Now try connecting to the internet again. Make sure every cable is firmly plugged in, from your modem to your router, and from your router to your devices. Check that none of the wires are loose or damaged. Sometimes the issue is on Spectrum's side. Go to Spectrum's website or app and check for outage alerts in your area. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until they fix it. If the internet works on wired devices but Wi-Fi is the problem, forget the network on your device, then reconnect by entering your password again. If your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, try changing the Wi-Fi channel in your router settings to reduce interference. Make sure you're within range of your router. Log into your router's settings page and make sure your IP address, gateway, and DNS settings are correct. If you're unsure, Spectrum support can confirm them for you. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. This refreshes your network settings. If nothing works, you can reset your router to factory settings. But remember, this will erase any custom settings. If you've tried all these steps and still can't connect, call Spectrum's customer support. They can run remote tests and guide you through advanced fixes. And that's it. Follow these steps in order, and most of the time you'll have your Spectrum internet back up and running in no time.